Hey there! If you are enjoying my content, consider subscribing. You can always change your mind later. Now let's get into it.
Jesus Christ, you holy shit.
Listen, Julian, you got yourself a dozen.
Really? I'm just getting my lunch.
No.
I understand I can park there. Why you guys have to be like that?
Okay, is this a parking spot?
Okay, can I park there? I cannot park there either.
There's plenty of parking spots. This is the middle of the road. Does this look like a parking lot to you?
Well, if
Let me ask you a question.
I got tickets the other day.
Let me ask you a question. Does this look like a road or a parking lot?
in there too.
A road or a parking lot?
Well, I got one ticket right there too. I parked in there and I got ticket there too.
You see how that? If it's not red,
You know, anywhere always here.
You're in the middle.
Park.
You're in the middle of the road. That's not hard to understand.
No, it's not hard to understand. It's not hard to understand that you got to be a Don't be a why you guys get to be a
You're the one that parked here, not me.
Well, I'm getting my lunch.
Okay.
I'm getting my lunch. There is nowhere over here that we can park.
Yes, there is. Right there, look.
I got ticket in there too. The one you guys have to be an asshole. That's all. Thank you.
Enjoy your lunch.
Hey, this is going to your paycheck. You know that.
Going backwards, a little bit of spray, just directly onto the bits of chain link that you really want to receive that lubricant. The inside of the link is what contacts with the chain link and the sprockets at the back, so that's where you want to be applying that lube. Now you just want to run the chain around in that shock tail afterwards, so you just don't draw any excess dirt and grime to that chain.
To keep me safe online, visit expressvpn.com/willcow. EXP. expressvpn.com/willcow. Prescription products free when you go to forhems.com/patriot. That's right, free. Zero copay, no expensive appointments, no awkward face-to-face conversations to get your prescription. HIMS connects you to doctors online who can evaluate you and, if appropriate, prescribe your ED medication. And a pharmacy sends it right to your door. HIMS makes it affordable, private, and incredibly easy. Nobody likes dealing with ED. Now, thanks to HIMS, nobody has to. And that's really good news.
Hey.